Hi there. Do you want to become a successful real estate agent in India? If the answer is yes, then I would like to share certain points with you which will be really helpful in building your career as a realtor. So, number one, you have to first decide, do you want to come in real estate just for fun, or you are just interested, or you are really committed to the real estate business. So the first thing that you have to decide is, are you interested or are you committed? Because if you are committed, then you are going to do things very differently as compared to you would be doing the things if you are just interested and just kind of figuring out the market. So number one point, know yourself whether you are interested or committed. Point number two, understand your own story. Try and figure out, why should someone do business with you? How you are better than the competitors? What is that you are going to do which your competition is not going to do? In short, what is the USP of your business? So knowing this point is very, very crucial and very important. Third important point is, know your market. See, this is very obvious, but many people really do not do research in the market where they operate. So that's a big problem. If you ask them 2 or 3 questions other than the brochure that they are carrying, people start to fumble because they do not know the details, and because they do not know the details, they don't have the confidence, and this thing reflects in their sales pitch or during the discussion with the customer. Fourth important point is, organize your contact database. Use a CRM. Not everyone whom you are meeting today is going to buy the property or is going to sell the property within 45 days. Certain people are going to sell it or do a transaction after 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. If you are not in touch with these people, then you are losing out on at least 50% of the leads. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है और आप लोगों को समझना चाहिए। हर लीड जो आपके पास आ रही है वो 40 दिन में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगी। कुछ लीड्स ऐसी हैं जो 5 महीने बाद, 6 महीने बाद कन्वर्ट होंगी, और ऐसी लीड्स अगर आप इनको ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर आप इनको प्रॉपरली मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप ऐसी लीड्स को मिस कर देंगे। वो क्लाइंट्स जब परचेज करने की साइकिल में आएंगे, उस टाइम आप वहां पे प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगे। लीड्स आर कॉस्टली, यूज देम वेल। Use a CRM system. Many CRM systems are available right now which are free. There is Zoho, there is HubSpot. Free CRM systems है. At least for starters तो ये free हैं. Use them and organize them in a fashion where you can do data finding, you can do sorting, you can figure out information very, very easily. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Also you should test additional lead sources. Go and experiment. प्रॉपर्टी पोर्टल से लीड आ रही है, वेरी गुड. यू आर गेटिंग लीड्स फ्रॉम गूगल, वेरी गुड. यू आर गेटिंग लीड्स फ्रॉम फेसबुक, वेरी गुड. Go ahead and try something else. Go ahead and try SMS marketing. Go ahead and try posting, getting the classifieds done in paper. Go and try using a canopy. Go and try sponsoring an event in your locality. Right? Try and test certain lead sources which may work in future. So you are spending 90% of your budget on the tested lead sources. Spend 10% on additional ones, trying and figuring out what is working now. So it is also very important, और ये ज़रूरी चीज़ है, इसको ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Next important point is going on to social platforms and starting some kind of knowledge sharing sessions. ये बहुत obvious है. It seems very obvious, but many people do not do it. See, the idea of doing all these sessions is that first you yourself will learn a lot of things. जब आप जाते हैं, जब आप कहीं नॉलेज शेयर करते हैं, तो आप भी थोड़ा रिसर्च करते हैं, आप भी थोड़ी सी स्टडी करते हैं, और जब आपकी नॉलेज जो आप शेयर कर रहे हैं मार्केट के लिए रेलेवेंट होती है, स्पेसिफिक होती है, आपके ऑडियंस के वेलफेयर के लिए केटर्ड टू होती है, एड्रेस करती है उन इश्यूज को, तो आपका एक ब्रांड भी बिल्ड होता है और आपके लिए लीड जनरेशन आसान हो जाता है. सो गो ऑन टू सोशल नेटवर्क्स, स्टार्ट स्मॉल 10 minutes टॉक ऑन योर मार्केट. लेट्स से यू स्टे इन अ लोकेलिटी, लेट्स से आप किसी सिटी में, आप गुड़गांव में हैं, आप गुड़गांव ईस्ट के बारे में जो भी डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं उसको शेयर कीजिए. यू स्टे इन लेट्स से हैदराबाद, हैदराबाद वेस्ट में जो डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं आप वो शेयर कीजिए. सो वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव, यू क्यूरेट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, यू शेयर इट, सो इट विल हेल्प यू जनरेट मोर लीड्स. इट विल टेक टाइम. सी, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने आज स्टार्ट किया और कल होने लगेगा. यू हैव टू स्टे कमिटेड. सोशल मीडिया, दीज थिंग्स टेक टाइम. यू विल हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. You need to be committed to that goal for a longer period. At least 18 months you should do that, and then slowly you will start seeing a lot of traction. Next important point is track and measure everything. If you want to build a business, businesses cannot survive without tracking and measurement. Because if you want to improve something, the first thing is you need to track. जिसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते उसको improve नहीं कर सकते. So again the CRM role comes in, again the same thing comes in, that you need to have some kind of a system where all the information is catered to, some process is followed, you get the reports from there, and then you use it to improve. So the Lisa funnel that we always talk about, lead, opti, visit, offer, वो इंफॉर्मेशन कहीं ना कहीं कैप्चर होनी चाहिए. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फाइनली आई वुड एंड दिस सेशन विथ वन इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन, दैट डेलीगेशन इज हार्ड इन रियल एस्टेट बट इट इज क्रूशियल ऑल्सो. पीपल हु बिकम multi-millionaires, people who reach that heights are the people who learn to delegate in real estate. And in delegation you will have to take care of the responsibility, you will have to find out some tracking mechanisms, you will also have to pay that person well, and you will have to find out a system that supports all this delegation. So delegation is also very important. To summarize, first, become interested and committed both. Second, know your story. Third, know your market. Fourth, organize your database, use a CRM. Fifth, leads are costly, generate them and manage them well. Sixth, get on social media. Seventh, track and measure everything. And finally, delegate well. Take care, bye guys. See you. Bye bye.